Hello traders, today is day number 2 of small cap market open trading with full position size. Unfortunately, it was another dead day in the small cap market. In fact, the market overall is pretty dead, and we'll look at the S&P 500 in just a little bit to explain what's going on there. But you can see the screener mostly red. There's a little bit of green, but very small moves. And we can look at the video and see the stocks that we were watching throughout the open. So we had Redbox, we had LICY, and there I do give you this a view of the screener a couple times here at the open or near the open. This is at 9:39. You can see what I was looking at that moment, and SIGA as well. So we were waiting for all these different levels. You can see I have alerts set to be broken, and they were never broken. They never even got close to being broken. So there's just not a lot of energy in the small cap market. So it's not a surprise in that sense that no trades were triggered to be taken. So that's pretty much what happened throughout the whole day. This is all the way to 10:30, which is my cutoff for looking for trades. And you can see nothing got close to being triggered. So let's take a look at the SPY and see what's going on in the S&P 500. So we'll pull it up on the single chart page. So this is the daily chart of the SPY. This is kind of the beginning of the year over here, and this is where we are now. And one thing that's pretty unique about what's been happening the last almost 2 weeks now of trading is this really tight range that the S&P 500 is trading in. And we've seen some of this inside the range trading like back here, but notice how much more divergent this is. You know, the candles are just getting kind of bigger and bigger, and this is a very tight consolidation. And it's fun to notice that stuff. I don't really make any decisions based off of that, but you definitely can see that, and I can mark out the range that it's trading in right now. And obviously the longer term trend is down. You know, that all of this is a long-term downtrend, and then here is a recent uptrend, and then basically we have a range here, but you can also consider it a bull flag if you start here, and then here's kind of the flag portion of the bull flag. So according to technical analysis, at some point this should break out and go higher, but it certainly doesn't have to. This could break down and break that rule and go down lower as well. So you really don't know what's going to go on. So I don't make any decisions based off of that. You can just kind of set levels and set stop losses based off of that. So anyway, we're getting into a whole nother subject here now, market analysis with the S&P 500. But the thing that I wanted to bring up was just that this really tight range that it's trading in, and it seems like either that's a correlation with what's going on in the small cap market, or maybe the reason why the small cap market is trading the way it is right now. Who knows? I mean, the small cap market has been dead since the beginning of the year at the least. So really, no, I would say, yeah, beginning of the year, maybe December, somewhere around there, the small cap market has been pretty quiet. So it's just where we are right now. The only thing we can do is follow our trading plan. Yeah, there were some nano caps, micro caps that were popping off at the open, but we don't have a trading plan for that, so we can't just jump into those. We have to stick to the trading plan that we have in place, that we have tested, and that's for the small cap market, and that's what we're going to be doing. So anyway, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. As always, go into every single trade with a plan. Stick to that plan no matter what. Always take your stop losses, honor your profit targets, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.